How far does the master protection go in regard to healing the earth from Fukushima fallout? The ICS, Al Qaeda, Putin, etc., on the disciples provide a love radiating energy from doing the devotion to override these negative power poles. These events that happen here, anywhere in the physical world, are all based on past karma. They are created for human beings who go through those karmas, and they are being born, suffered by human beings and other living forms as a result of human beings' past actions and intentions. There are different forms of life, and we divide them into two parts: a life in which you can create karma and a life in which you can pay off karma. The only life in which you can create karma is a human life, where you have the experience of free will and where you make choices between options. And it is only when you make choices that the karma is created. When you make no choice but things happen, it's because of problems, your past lives. Only when that slots I was talking about in the morning, where you make decisions between choices, when that free will is exercised by you, that's the only time that you create karma. But as I said, we create karma so fast that even in those few slots, which are less than 20% of our total life, we are able to create a lot of karma. Since we create so much karma, we need a lot of space to pay off. And we can pay off those karmas as human beings. We can pay off those karmas by taking other forms like plants, insects, birds, animals, and angels, and life on the astral plane. We can pay off our karma at any of these places. We can even pay off our karma at the causal plane, where karma is created. We define this life as a karam yoni, karam yog. That means it's a life where you can create karma, and the others are for bhog suni. That means they are for getting rewards and punishments for your karma. So we have all these areas of experience where we can pay off karma. These big calamities that come, the big wars that take place, big travesties of justice that take place, cruelty that takes place. Sometimes they are part of very big collective karma, sometimes the karma of people who injured or hurt thousands of people at one go. There are karma of people who engineered other people to create karma. There are so many types of karma that we create. And all these events that are happening, they are because of the result of that karma, and life goes on because of that. These events that are taking place, the masters do not come here to change the history of this planet or the history of karma. They know the karma will go on its established way to create physical experiences. What they do is to protect their disciples who are initiated from the impact of these devastating effects. They also protect their disciples from getting too much pain or anguish or too much reaction to certain karmas by protecting them and making it very light for them to go through it. They say that a person who has to be hanged because of his karma, by divine intervention, can just have a prick of a needle in place of that. So they do lighten up our karma, and that's the great healing that they do for us. But they do not come to heal the earth or the planet. They do not come to change the nature of this universe. The evolutionary cycle that is going on, creating different forms of life, different forms of events, goes on and will go on. They've always gone on. I once thought that maybe there's too much violence these days. I went into a newspaper office, and they had records of newspapers 100 years ago. So I picked up an old copy. I found the violence was still there. It's almost like they were today's news. I went on to an Indian newspaper which is 200 years old, an old Indian newspaper. I went and picked up the old copies. It looked like today. This has never stopped. The violence has never stopped. It has taken different forms. It has taken, wars have never stopped. Violence has never stopped. Torture has never stopped. This is not our world. This is not our home. A home has peace and tranquility and joy and bliss. We can see from these very events that this is not our place. And therefore, in order to try to convert hell into heaven, it's better to leave hell and go to heaven.